Yo ho ho, welcome back aboard. Aaron again with more Watches, Birds, and Loot, and part 2 of our anniversary 1 year anniversary here at the channel. This is part 2, and it's going to be a mega unboxing. If you do not like birds or do not like unboxings or do not like bananas, if you have a bit of banana phobia, if you've got banana phobia, do not watch this. Now, I know when I eat a banana, if I smack my mouth when my daughter or my wife are around, oh my God, they go crazy. They cannot stand the sound of a banana in the mouth. My son doesn't care. So figure that one out. Go figure. Banana phobia. All right, look, guys, we got to do unboxing. We got a million, not a million, but we have a lot of, no, it's a million. We got a million boxes to unbox. No, we have a few here. Probably about as much as the last episode if you tuned in for that one. So the story is 1 year episode, one year anniversary was coming up, and I just happened to have all these packages come in from early Black Friday sales, like pre Black Friday things. And today is October 31st, Halloween. And kind of just loaded up. And so I'm like, you know what? Why don't I just unbox all these on the air? Oh, okay. And I don't even know what these are, but now I know what that is. This is these are Sheffield's. A pair of Sheffield watches. Very cool. Okay, here we go. Garbage goes back here. And this is the GT Steel. It says, how do you do this? Slide this thing. Slip it open. Very nice box. I approve so far. I like the way it's packaged. These are both quartz watches. Excuse me, both divers. Sheffield All Sport. I don't remember. Did I order this? I don't know if I ordered. I must have ordered this. It was a while ago. All right, hold on. Let me see what this other one is. I thought there was one that was like a vintage look. I thought they were both kind of vintage looking. Maybe not. I don't not like that. Don't get me wrong. Do I got banana on my hands? Get these all over the boxes. Let's see here. Yeah, so here's the one that's kind of, this is cool. I honestly don't remember that one. I got to look at the receipt and see. But this one has kind of a blue loom. Face is black. This off here. Just off. And where's my trusty Bridge Watches polishing cloth? Don't go anywhere without this. Yeah, this is cool. Here, let's listen to some quick tickery. The birds make the same sound. I don't know if you notice that, but they mimic the sound of, because I play with these all the time, when I'm sitting around, and then they learn to mimic it. But that is awesome. I love that. I like this. It's a very plain looking diver, isn't it? I don't know. All right, let's put these things away. Put all these boxes away very quickly. And we'll get into the next package. Let's see here. Down here we have another package. And UPS something. No, USPS. And I blocked out to protect any, the offenders out there. Blocked out the addresses. Some of these are pre-owned. Now those weren't. That's not how you open this, by the way. This is one of those weird. Well, maybe that. No, it's not. I mean, I'm opening it from the bottom. What the hell is this? It's very heavy. Extremely heavy. But it comes with all these bracelet tools. Oh, this is a San Martin. This is a San Martin. Is this a San Martin? In a white box? Wait a minute here. I do not remember this. What is this? Comes with there's the cards in there. Warranty card stuff. Oh. Right. This is the massive diver they released. Okay. Oh man, this is cool. This has got a lot of edges on it. I can already feel it's kind of sharp. I'm gonna have to, when I review this thing, and I'm gonna have to wear this for a few days and see if that, that's annoying or not. Because I can already feel these edges. But this is a down there, 1,000 meter diver. Look at that cool dial. It's a gradient, kind of like that. What is the ocean, deep sea, the Rolex one that has the. This is really pretty. Wow. And it's got a ghost date. I can hear it clicking in there. But wow. Well, I'm impressed with the looks of it. I think it's going to be see how this wears to decide if I keep this thing. Whoa. That is some serious bezel action there. Whew. Okay. Pretty neat from San Martin. You can't keep them down. San Martin. I like San Martin. As you know. Yeah, look what I'm wearing. And this is from the last video. Look at that guy. Oh, a big green. Big greenie. Hulk. Maybe? No, that's already taken. The Kermit? Nope, that's already taken. What are we going to call a big green watch? I don't know. But I know this is a Bernie. Feel the burn. I'm feeling it. I like the last one I opened in the previous video. Another Bernie. What the heck this is. Feeling the burn right now. Bernie. As I said before, I think that's a town in Switzerland is what they named it after. Bernie, Switzerland. Oh yeah. Ooh, speaking of green. Oh yeah, I really like this one. This is nicer in the hand. Bird in the hand. Did I just say that? That was dumb. All right, let's see here. Yeah, the coin edge. Look at that coin edge bezel. Quartz. I do not have anything against quartz at all. I actually like quartz. I don't know if I prefer it, but I do like quartz. I like to just grab them. Like this will be in the watch box. You know, if I'm going out to dinner and I need a nice dress watch, boom, grab it. It's ready to go. Wife doesn't have to wait for me to set the time and the date to the exact second. So, yeah. Nice strap. I like it. All right. That's a neat one. Okay, let's put the burn away. Well, I did feel the burn there. I felt a little bit of fire. Those about to rock. Fire. Those about to rock. Sorry, singing. All right, let's get on to this. No clue. FedEx. I love FedEx. I actually have a FedEx watch coming, believe it or not. Another employee watch. My last video opened a Greyhound watch, bus lines, and a American Airlines I showed you that was employee watches. Oh boy. This is holy maloney. Okay, I've never had something like this. One of these fancy schmancy crystal watches. This is all crystal. And I like it. It's got the second hand. It's quartz, Bulova, obviously, but crystals all the way around. And boy, is that sparkly. These aren't the best lights. These lights are a little soft, but doesn't do it justice. This is a sparkle monster, boy. I need some gold chains and yeah, big, huge, like, you know, Star of David, like pie plate size around my neck. Oh boy, that would be obnoxious. Okay, this is cool. It's very thin. I dig this. Okay, I'm gonna wear this. You guys don't believe me. Here, let's set it on top of that watch there, but it's not scratching. All right. What else we got? We have three more packages. Three more. Let's go fast. Burn again. I got burned. Burned for a third time. Well, I had a burn. Yeah, it's like I said, a burn in the previous video. Burn. Feel me burn. I'm not crazy about the name Bernie for a watch, but. And you know what's interesting is they have their name on all the watches, but they in some of the videos on YouTube they just have a logo, which is a really cool logo. So I don't know why they just don't use that logo on their watches and just, you know, sans the name. Okay, this is just like the other one I had in the black, but this is I think this is a full lume dial. Can I check that real quick? No, it's not. Wait, is it? Hang on. I gotta hit it with the douche. Oh yeah, okay. Oh, mama. It's Christmas time. That's funny. Look at the line there where I hit it with the light real quick, and then it left a shadow of the second hand. That is wild. Sapphire glass. Right on. All right, let's get the lights back on. Okay, I'm digging it. This is sapphire and titanium, and the strap on the other one was nice too. It was black. And the quick release, yep. I commented about the, I didn't like that, what do you call it? Buckle. Set it over here for now. Okay, two more to go. We got a bag. Guarantees AliExpress. Chinese lettering here. Okay, two more to go. We got a bag, which has already been opened, but that's because I wanted to make sure that it had, because I know this is AliExpress. Packages, I wanted to make sure there was the three packages, so I remember this one. Bracelets. This is all bracelets. Melanese or shark mesh. So I got a bunch of these for my vintage watches. The 17 millimeter, I think it is. I think these are 16 millimeter. I can't remember. Yeah, I think these are 16 millimeter. Yeah. So, and these are really, you guys got to see this. You got to see how these work. These are only like $6. They're really nice. I got them before in 20, but check, I mean, they're heavy. They have the quick release spring bars, but look at this. You know how most of them have that little thing you got to pry up? So check this out. This is how it opens. And then this, you just, you lift that thing, set your size, press it back down. So it's like an adjust on the fly thing. It's so cool. You don't have to have that little tool and kind of get in there and pry it. God, I hate those. These, I think, just is the coolest invention, the coolest buckle. Leaving this out here. So I got a bunch of those. Yeah, go check those out. Make sure it has that buckle. And I got some more. There's a bunch more. These are bigger. I think these were 18. Maybe these are 18s. Oh, these are the 17s. Okay. Those are the 17s, and those are the 16s. God, I got so much crap going on here. Put these down here. Stand by. And Uno Mas package. And then we got one big box. We're getting there. We're getting there. Birds, are you all right? They're sitting there. Okay. These are leather straps for vintage size. And 17. 17, yeah, 17's the vintage. It seems like a lot of stuff is 17. So again, AliExpress, they were like $4 or $5 a piece. Real, genuine leather. Just take these off me. Let me feel this thing. And I like this buckle. So a little sheen to them. They're thick, which I kind of like. I don't like those super thin. And they have a nice taper. So it goes from 17 to 14. And look at that buckle. It's a pretty neat buckle. It goes in there. And then you buckle it. All right, I don't need to be doing this. Wasting time. But there's the buckle. Looks nice. So they didn't have any gold hardware. So these will just go for silver watches. I am like sweating right now. Yeah, the birds are, you can hear them kind of they're getting a little bit, they're getting a little antsy here. Hold on, okay, one more package. One more, kind of big, a big one. Let's see here. Okay, we have a lone spring bar, quick release that probably fell out of one of those one of those Milanese. So this is the next box, pretty good size one. FedEx. Let's see. Get to this. All right, I gotta move this off the desk to get this big box. It's kind of jammed in here. Big white box. Oh, Philip Plein. Okay, Philip Plein. I guarantee you guys probably never heard of it. And I hadn't either till recently because they have these kind of piratey looking watches, which I dig. Wait till you see this box that comes in. Okay, here's the box. Now look at this case. These are wild. It's a fashion brand, and they're probably all made in China, whatever. But you can get them. They're like, $800 to $2,000 at Nordstrom and some of those places. They sell them kind of like the Coach or whatever. But you can get these really inexpensive. You can get these for a couple $100. So let's see. Now check this out. You open this. I can't even get it in the camera here. But it's like a huge skull. Big plastic skull. That comes out only because I have another one of these. I know about this. And you open the skull up. Careful, the watch is not going to fall out. And the watch comes out. I'm not crazy about some of their court stuff, but they also have the Philip Plein and Philip Plein Sport. And this is Sport's the lower end. So they're kind of gaudy, I know. Please no comments. But look at this thing. It's got my pirate skull on it. Let me get the sticky off. Another rag. But look at that. Look at that dial. I think it's cool. This is automatic. It's got crystals in there. It's super fancy. How big is this thing? It's pretty good size. 46 millimeter. She's a biggin. But automatic. And it's got all, the skull and crossbones, which look at this on the strap. I'll probably put a different strap on this. Looks like about a 20 or 22 millimeter. But this will look good on a leather strap or something, or just a FKM rubber. Probably save this one so it doesn't get all scratched up. And these will probably fall off, I'm guessing. Look at that. Okay, I love it. That's it, guys. Oh, man, I love that. I love it. I can't believe I haven't opened this. I forget when I came, but it must have been weeks. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, you got to tune in for more for reviews of all these watches, if any of them look reasonable to you. Some of them, I know we're not, but right birds, right birdies. Let's get the birds out. Guys, thanks for watching again. Feed the birds, all that stuff. Look, Kai left. River's just sitting here. River watch. She's gonna try to bite me. Oh, that was a nice little kiss. Oh. River, now back-to-back videos? First Kai, then you? Are you kidding me? Oh, for crying out loud. I'm glad I don't have dogs on the desk here. Oh, man, that would get nasty. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you back here again soon. Happy 1-year anniversary to Aaron's Watches. Woohoo! And happy Halloween. Later.